Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic, masalas and their potential cancer risk. Let's spice things up and find out more. First things first, let's talk about ethylene oxide. It's a pesticide used in the spice industry to reduce microbial contamination. However, this colorless, highly flammable gas has been classified as a Group 1 carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Recently, Hong Kong and Singapore withdrew 4 spice mixes from Indian manufacturers MDH and Everest. Why? High levels of ethylene oxide were found in these masalas. But wait, isn't ethylene oxide banned in food products in India? Yes, it is, but exports are a different story. Consuming ethylene oxide even at low levels can be risky. Chronic exposure over time has been linked to increased cancer risks, including leukemia, stomach cancer, and breast cancer. It can also cause respiratory irritation, lung injury, and other health issues. Be cautious when buying spice mixes. Check labels, opt for trusted brands, and consider making your own masalas at home. Remember, your health matters. That's a wrap, foodies. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more spicy content. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep those masalas in check.